Hello guys, I'm Uday Kumar. In this video, we're going to say about employee details in Java. First, we're going to import a Java data detail, and next, we're going to get a user input to get a n number of employee details. So that using a scanner function, scan equal to new scanner of system.in and system.println enter the number of employees. And next, we're going to do a minute-driven program to get a n number of employee details. So that using a first choice enter employee details, and second choice is display, and third choice is employee having experience greater than 5, and fourth choice is employee with the age above 45, and fifth choice is exit. If we choose the first choice, we're going to get employee details, so that getting a user input like enter the ID of the employee, and enter the name of the employee, and enter department of the employee, and destination of the employee, and experience of the employee, date of birth of the employee, and age of the employee, and address of the employee. These details are iterate many times because of the for loop giving here. And next we're going to see choice 2, and choice 2 will display the employee details. To give you choice 3, we will display the experience greater than 5. If we give choice 4, it will display the age. It will display the employee the age greater than 45. If we give the choice 5, it will exit the program. Now we can run the program. Now it's asking to enter the number of employees. I'm going to give 2, and it's asking the enter choice. I'm going to give 1. It's asking the ID of the employee. I'm going to give 1001, and name is Rio, and department is CS, and destination technical, and experience is 45, DOB is 05 and 05 1975, age is 46, address is Chennai, and employee 2 ID is 1002, and John, and department is accounts, and destination is tax, experience is 5, DOB is 10/7 1995, age is 25, address is Madurai. I'm going to give I'm going to display the following details, so that I'm giving choices too. Now it's displaying the following employee details. Next, I'm going to check choice 3. I'm showing the above. I'm showing the employee having experience greater than 5. The employee Rio has having an experience greater than 5 is 45. Next, we're going to check choice 4. Now I'm displaying the choice 4 and going to exit the program, so they're giving choices 5. Next, we're going to see about a single linked list in Java. First, we're going to import a Java data detail, and next we're getting a public class as single linked list, and I'm going to declare a node, so that using a int data and a node next. After declaring node, we're going to create a single linked list, so that using so that we're getting a if statement list dot header not equal to null, then we'll print a regular linked list already created, and we're going to get a data for node 0 to get a number of data, so that using a for loop to iterate many times to get a data from the node, and going to get I'm going to insert a node in a single linked list, so that using a public static single linked list insert of int x, int position, and single linked list, and same as for the deletion also, same as for deletion and display and search. And next we're going to do a money driven program. So we're giving it choices. One as create a linked list, and choice 2 as insert node, and choice 3 as delete node, and choice 4 as display linked list, and choice 5 as in search node, and search 6 choices exit. Now we run the program. If we give a case 1, it will ask enter number of codes. If we give a case 2, it will ask a position of the code, and it will enter the data of the node. If we give a choice 3, it will enter it will delete the node. And if we give a choice 4, it will display the node, and it will give the choice 5. It will search the node, it will give choices, it will exit the node, exit the program. Now we run this program. It is asking enter a choice. First, now I'm going to give a choice as 1. I'm going to create a linked list, so they're giving a number as 2. Sorry, giving again run the program. It is asking enter a choice. I'm going to give choice as 1. I'm going to enter the number of nodes as 5. It is asking enter data of node. Giving it to 10 and 20, 30, 40 and 15. Now it's asking insert a node. I'm going to give choices 2. It is asking the position. I'm going to give 2. And I'm going to enter data of the node as 100. Now the 100 position, 100 inserted the second position. I'm going to delete the node, so I'm giving choices 3. It's asking enter the data of the node, so I'm giving data as 13. Now next I'm going to display the after insert and deletion, so they're giving choices 4. Please display the 100, 10, 20, 100, 40, 50. Next I'm going to give a choices 6. Next we're going to see about rectangle. In rectangle we're going to see which is the first rectangle, second rectangle is matching or not. So we're using a first import the util java.util. Next we're going to getting a 2 objects in rectangle, so that using a rect object 1 equal to new rect of, and rect object 2 equal to new rect of. Next we're getting a user input from user input, so that using a length of the first rectangle, width of the first rectangle, and color of the first rectangle, and finding area of the first rectangle, and same as for the second rectangle also. If the statement is satisfied, it will print these are matching rectangles, or else it will print these are not matching rectangles. Next creating a class function and create class name as rect, and using getting a user input, so that using scanner object equal to new scanner of insystem.n, and using double for length, width, area, and string for color, and using length, and you're getting a set length, and you're getting a user input like enter the value of the length, so the length equal to object dot next double, and getting an input for width and color, and going to find the area, and the area so the area of the formula of the area is area equal to length into width, and we're getting user input and the area. I'm going to display the output, so that using a area of the rectangle is now we display now we program the program. Now it's asking the value of the length for the first rectangle. I'm going to give 5, and width is 6, and color is red, and the area of the first rectangle is 13, and it is asking the value of the length for the second rectangle, so they're giving a length as 15, 2, and color is red. Now it's area of the rectangle for second rectangle is 30, and these are matching rectangles. That's all guys, thanks for watching.